What a nice customer. I just finished up on her yard and she brought me out this big ass gallon of water and a box of candy. It's way too hot to be eating candy, especially all the sugar. Nice gesture. It is hot as hell right now. It's probably like 100 degrees. That mower you just saw me on was the Z34 or the 34Z. I'm not really sure which order it goes in. If you're not too familiar with these mowers, they're the zero-turn mowers. That's what the Z stands for, zero turn. And the 34 stands for 34 inches. And the reason I picked that mower was because it's super compact and you can fit it in pretty much anybody's backyard, or you can fit it on a really small trailer. With that mower, I can do about 4 to 5 yards on just $3 to $4 with the gas. So it's really super cheap on gas and everything. That mower came with a 3-year homeowner's warranty. So make sure you check with your dealer whenever you buy one to get that homeowner's warranty. They'll cover any major parts like the engine, the hydros, any of the big stuff. They don't cover oil changes and belt replacement, stuff like that. You got to cover all that stuff. Other than that, it's a great mower. I've been using it about a year now. It's really good for, it climbs hills well. I can do septic tanks. It has no problem on the water edges. It just, it grips the grass really good. It doesn't really slide when you're on hills or anything like that. It's so compact, really, you can get it in anybody's backyard. As far as their fence goes, I've gotten it through some really narrow fences. It came with a guard originally on the chute, but I took the chute guard off because every time I would go through a fence or anything, I would have to lift the guard up. But it's up to you. I don't know if I would take it off, because if you shoot like a rock out or something, or a pine cone or anything, it might hit somebody's car or bust somebody's window out. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Y'all have a good one.